Continuation with the previous, we will study about the uses of wheat and its product. The various uses are they are used for making bread, chapatis, which are the staple food all over the world. Flour or maida is the finely grounded grain which is commercially used for making biscuit, cake, pastries, and other confectionaries. Wheat flakes is a popular form of cereal food. It is employed in the preparation of beer, alcoholic beverages, and alcohol. Wheat straw is used as a stuffing material for chair and mattresses. It is extensively used for manufacturing straw carpet, basket, straw hat, etc. Wheat straw find great use as a packaging material and as a fodder for cattle. Suji is roughly ground grain with a large particles and when cooked with milk and sugar make a delicious sweet dish. On the basis of chromosome, Haeckel classified wheat into 8 kinds, which are as described here. Icon Triticum monococcum, whose chromosome number is 14. Emer Triticum dicoccum, whose a chromosome number n is equal to 28. Polis Triticum puenicum, whose chromosome number n is equal to 28. Durum Triticum durum, whose chromosome number n is equal to 28. Spelt Triticum spelta, whose chromosome number n is equal to 42. Club Triticum compactum, whose chromosome number 42. Common Triticum vulgaris, whose chromosome number n is equal to 42. Breeding. Wheat has been the staple food since the early man started agriculture, and there has been a continuous effort to develop varieties which combine all the desirable characters such as high yield, high protein content, early maturity, disease resistance, etc. One of the pioneer of wheat breeding, Nobel laureate Dr. Norman E. Borlaug, has successfully introducing the dwarf variety with a stout, stiff and dwarf stem with a high grain yield and resistant to disease. The variety has been responsible for the Green Revolution in India. The variety is Sabarmati Sonara with a high protein content of 20% and with a high lysine content of 3.17% have been the impetus to the genus of Green Revolution. Constant research in this area has been birthed to new varieties such as Sonalika SD1553, Kalyan Sona SD1593, Sera SD1925, Pratap SD1981, high yielding varieties such as UP 2003, SD2329, HUW 206, HUW 1209, WH 147, rust resistant variety such as K8804, HP 1633, etc. Wheat production. Wheat is the largest grown crop of the world, but in India it ranked next to rice. It is an important rabi crop grown in over about 23 million hectare, about half of the total area under food crop in the season, and account for about 70% of the total rabi food grain production. It is the major crop of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana and Maharashtra. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra along with the Gujarat and West Bengal account for nearly 95% of the total area under wheat and for about 96% of the total production in the country. Wheat zone grouping. Considering the diverse agroclimatic condition, the disease spectrum, rust path and the cultural environment in the different wheat belt, grouping of 6 wheat zone have been made. They are the northern hill zone first, second the northwestern plain zone, third the northeastern plain zone, fourth the central zone, fifth the peninsular zone, and the sixth the southern hill zone. Wheat production in the country has been revolutionized